Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So you can clearly see here that today market tried to closes below 40,000 level, but it could not sustain there and it immediately took support from that level, and when it sustains above that 40,000 level it continuously shows positive movement, and right now it trades around 40,300. Previously on Friday it made high around that zone also. So my suggestion would be, if on tomorrow if it opens flat or opens gap up and if it trades above 40,400 or 420, then you can expect any kind of buying trade, and target will be around 40,500 to 40,650. For any kind of selling, it needs to close below 40,100 or 40,000. Then after that we will going to take any kind of selling trade. Now let's look into 15-minute candle where you can take trade for tomorrow. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly notice here that one trend line running here, so it needs to close above that, which is 40,400 as I said. So if it trades above 40,400 by opening flat, then you can expect some buying trade, and as I said our target will be 40,600 because previously it opens a gap down from that zone and it continuously shows negative movement there. So if it opens a gap up, then what should we do? If it opens a gap up around 40,600 or around that zone, and after that if it halted there and shows any kind of positive movement, then we will going to take trade for buying, and target will be around 40,800 to 40,950. And that's about opening gap up. If it opens gap down, so it needs to trades below 40,100 or 40,080, because today it took resistance from that level, and it also in the last it took support from that level and goes up. So it needs to closes below that for taking any kind of selling trade, and if it closes below that, our first target will be 39,800, next target will be 39,600. And that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one candle chart. So then basically the Bank Nifty and Nifty move one-sided, like if it Bank Nifty goes up and Nifty also goes up, and if it Bank Nifty goes down, Nifty also goes down. But today Bank Nifty shows positive movement and it goes up until 1%, but Nifty shows kind of negative movement. So if tomorrow market opens flat or opens gap up and shows any kind of positive movement, because from the last 8 days it continuously shows negative movement here, and we have support here. So if it breaks that level by opening flat or opening gap down and shows any kind of positive movement, or if it trades below 70,350, then you can expect some selling trade here. But as of now it looks kind of positive to me, because it made a hammer candle here, and in the end it shows closes around that 70,400 level. So let's assume that if market opens flat and if it trades above 70,450 and shows any kind of positive movement, then we'll going to take trade for buying, and target will be around 7,500 to 7,550. Now let's look into 15-minute candle where you can take trade for tomorrow. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly notice here that it continuously took support from that 70,300 level, and today it took 2 times support from that zone, which is 7,300 as I said, and it made a W button here. So it kind of looks positive to me as I said. So if tomorrow market opens flat and if it trades above 70,400 level, which previously acted as a resistance level, and today it also took resistance from that zone. So if it closes above that 70,400, then you can 440, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 7,500 first, next target will be 70,560. And let's assume that if it opens gap up, so if it opens gap up, then you can also take trade for buying, because today it shows kind of positive movement here. So if it opens gap up, then buy will be added there, and we can take trade for buying. And for selling, it needs to close below 70,300 or 320, then after that we can take any kind of selling trade. But my suggestion would be, if it opens flat and opens small gap up and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can expect some buying trade here. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you look Bank Nifty components during market hours, then it will going to help you. And that's all about today guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.